Hi guys! Welcome back po sa aking channel, and for today's video, gusto ko lang i-share ulit sa inyo guys itong si AGL kasi itong platform na to guys is 1 month na siyang nagra-run, and then may mga update na rin siya guys no, sa kanyang product. So dito guys meron akong withdrawable balance na 1,148 pesos. So try natin mamaya guys na i-withdraw to kung marireceive ko pa ba siya sa aking GCash. And then itong si AGL guys ay na-share ko na sa inyo last time guys. So meron akong video dito kay AGL, and then ilalagay ko na lang sa description box guys yung first video ko dito kay AGL. So if gusto nyo ditong mag-register guys, ay enter nyo lang yung mobile number nyo dito, and then yung password, and then yung nickname guys, and then i-click lang natin tong send para magka-receive tayo ng verification code. So, after natin ditong mag-login guys, so ito yung bubungad sa atin. So, meron silang update guys dito sa kanilang short-term product na na-release siya guys September 6. So, high profit, short-term, and limited quantity daw. So, check natin yan guys. So, dito guys, pwede kayong mag-join sa kanilang Telegram channel para malaman nyo guys yung mga update nila sa kanilang platform. So, paano nga ba tayo kumita dito sa kanilang platform? So, dito guys, may dalawang paraan na kumita tayo. So, una guys, meron silang investment dito or product na kung saan guys is kapag nag-invest tayo dito is pwede tayong kumita dito araw-araw. So, dito guys, meron silang tatlong product, itong core, bonus, and then flexible. And then, dito sa core product guys, so meron sila ditong Solar Fund 1 na yung investment amount guys is 430 pesos. And then, yung ating daily income is 129 pesos. And then, income days guys is 45 days. So, 45 days tayong magka-income. So, yung ating total revenue or total income dito guys is 5,805. And then guys, remind ko lang, dito sa core product na to guys, yung ating daily income dito is hindi natin siya ma-withdraw daily guys, no? Kasi nakalock itong daily income natin. So, tsaka lang natin siya ma-withdraw guys pag natapos na yung ating income days dito or na-expire na yung ating product. So, dito sa core product guys, meron din silang Solar Fund 2. So, yung investment amount dito guys is 1,570, and then yung ating daily income is 549 pesos, and then yung income days is 44 days. So yung total revenue is 24,178 pesos. So meron din silang Solar Fund 3 guys. So 5,000 naman yung investment amount. So, ayun guys, check nyo na lang yung mga product nila dito. Basta remind ko lang sa inyo guys ha, itong core product nila, hindi natin ma-withdraw yung ating daily income. Nakalock to siya. And then, dito naman guys, sa bonus product nila is short-term period lang siya. Pero, tsaka lang tayo pwedeng makapag-invest dito guys kapag naging VIP 1 tayo or nakapag-upgrade tayo sa ating VIP. So, para makapag-invest nga tayo dito sa bonus product nila guys or para maging VIP tayo is kailangan muna natin guys na makapag-invest dito sa core product. So, dito guys, no, is meron silang investment amount na 217 pesos. And then, yung ating day income is 325 pesos. And then, income days is 1 day lang. So, ibig sabihin guys, kapag nag-invest tayo dito ng 217 pesos, and then, after 1 day guys, is magiging 325 pesos na siya. And then, pwede na natin siyang ma-withdraw guys kasi 1 day lang yung income days dito. So, dito naman guys, sa VIP 2 nila, na yung investment amount is 1,670 pesos, and then yung ating daily income is 918 pesos, and then yung income days guys is 3 days. So yung ating total revenue is 2,755 pesos. Pero guys ha, tsaka lang tayo pwedeng makapag-invest dito kapag na-upgrade na yung ating VIP level. And then guys, meron silang bago guys itong flexible. So ito yung update nila guys no, sa product nila. So dito sa flexible guys ay pwede tayo makapag-invest dito guys kahit VIP 0 tayo. So dito guys, meron silang investment amount na 590 pesos, and then yung ating day income is 236 pesos, and then yung income days is 15 days. And then, yung ating total revenue is 3,540 pesos. So, nakalock din to siya guys, no? So, tsaka lang natin ma-withdraw guys after 15 days yung ating total revenue dito. So, ayan, meron silang VIP 1 guys. So, 970 pesos naman yung investment amount. And then, 688 pesos guys yung ating daily income. And then, 7 days tayong magka-income. So, yung ating total revenue guys is 4,820 pesos. So, tsaka lang din natin siya guys ma-withdraw yung ating total revenue or yung ating income dito guys once na matapos na tong income days dito. So, ayan guys, i-check nyo na lang. So, ito yung kanilang guys, no? Update. And then, may sold out na din siya guys. So, check nyo na lang to siya guys. So, for example guys, ay gusto nyo ditong mag-invest. So, i-click lang natin tong homepage nila guys. And then, i-click lang natin tong deposit. And then, yung kanilang minimum deposit dito guys is 100 pesos. So, enter mo lang guys yung amount kung magkano yung i-deposit mo dito. And then, dito sa select channel, so pili ka lang guys dito ba or dito. And then, after mo guys na makapag-recharge, so, pili ka lang dito kung anong product. So, for example, dito tayo guys sa 430. So, i-click mo lang yan. And then, makikita mo guys yung product details. And then, i-click mo lang tong invest now. So, kapag naka-invest ka na guys dito sa core product nila, is pwede ka nang makapag-invest din dito sa bonus product na short-term period lang siya. Or, like ito guys, 1 day lang. And then, yun guys, aside naman guys sa kanilang product na magka-income tayo dito. So, meron din sila ditong spread. Ayan, i-click mo lang. So, dito guys, makikita natin yung ating referral link. So, kapag i-click natin yan guys, nakopy na natin yan yung ating referral link. And then, i-share lang natin sa mga friends natin guys na mahilig mag-invest sa mga ganitong platform. So, dito guys, kapag nag-invite tayo, and then yung ating level 1 na invite is nag-invest dito sa kanilang platform, is meron tayong makukuha ditong 100 pesos guys, plus 35% na commission. So, kapag core product siya guys, no, 35 commission. And then, kapag flexible is 5%. So, pag level 2 naman guys is 2%. Pag level 1 is 1%. So, pwede tayong kumita dito guys ng libre lang. I-share lang natin yung ating referral link sa mga friends natin guys na mahilig mag-invest sa mga ganitong platform. And then, kapag nag-invest tayo dito guys, dito natin makikita sa earnings yung ating product na in-invest. So, dito guys is nakapag-invest na ako dito ng 647 pesos and then yung aking total earnings guys is 3,898 pesos. Kasama na yan guys yung mga earning ko from commission. And then dito nga guys is meron na nga ako ditong withdrawable balance guys na 1,148 pesos. So, kapag mag-withdraw tayo guys, i-click lang natin tong withdraw. And then, dito guys is nakabay na yung aking GCash dito. Kasi yung kanilang withdrawal method guys is GCash. And then, meron din sila ditong withdrawal instruction guys na daily time makapag-withdraw dito guys. Pero yung withdrawal time is 9 a.m. to 20 to 59 or 10 p.m. And then, yung kanilang minimum withdrawal amount guys is 200 pesos. And then, yung maximum is 50,000 pesos. So, yun guys, dahil meron na nga tayo ditong withdrawable balance, so withdraw na natin to siya. So, after natin guys ma-enter yung ating withdrawal amount, so click lang natin next. And then, yun, success na siya guys. And then, para ma-check natin guys yung ating withdrawal status, i-click lang natin tong settings. So, dito guys, makikita natin yung withdrawal records natin. And then, dito guys, no, as you can see, ito yung aking withdraw na 1,148 pesos. So, initiate withdrawal pa siya guys. So, wait na lang natin na maging successfully ended siya guys. Kasi kapag successfully na yan, is pumasok na yan guys sa ating GCash. So, ito na nga yung aking withdrawal records guys. So, dito guys, bago pa ako nakapag-withdraw ng 1,128 pesos, 251. So, successfully ended yan guys. So, na-receive ko to lahat guys sa aking GCash. And then, after 22 minutes, guys, is withdrawal successfully na siya. And then, pumasok na siya, guys, sa aking GCash. So, ito yung amount na na-receive ko, guys, 1,102 kasi meron silang withdrawal fee, guys, no, na 5%. So 22 minutes lang guys is na-receive ko na yung aking winidraw dito. So yun guys, as of September 6, 17:39 or 5:39 PM guys, ay legit paying pa siya guys, nagbabayad pa to si AGL. Pero yun nga guys, dahil medyo matagal na din tong platform na to, nasa 1 month na siya guys, no? So kapag mag-try kayo sa mga ganitong platform guys, mag-research muna kayo, and then dapat guys yung invest nyo dito, if gusto nyong mag-invest, ay extra money lang. So, disclaimer lang guys, itong video na to ay hindi ko kayo hinihikayat na mag-invest din dito, kasi kapag mga ganitong platform guys ay napaka-risky, hindi tayo sure guys no kung tatagal ba yung pagiging legit paying nila. So, bago kayo mag-invest, always do your own research and invest what you can afford to lose. So, that's all guys. Thank you so much for watching my video. God bless!